Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this tutorial for how I made these gorgeous earrings using the stuff from Beebeecraft that they sent me. Beebeecraft is a company that I've been working with, and they let me pick out beads and then I make videos for them, and I have been so happy with everything that they have sent me. The quality is they're very well made. So I have a coupon code BNJewelry10 for 10% off your whole order. And if you are a YouTuber and you have over 100 subscribers, if you're interested, I will leave a link below. You can join their YouTube program and be doing the same thing I'm doing. So yeah, so this is the pair that I made. And I just sewed these babies up and attached these, and I love the way these turned out. So if you're interested and want to see how I made these, then stay tuned. So I'm starting out to make this beautiful earring right here. I'm using the Rhombus 2-hole beads here from them. The Ruby Turquoise, let me get the correct name because these are from one of their last boxes. The Honey Handy Natural Ruby Turquoise Bead Strands Faceted Cubes. And then I have the retro check glass beads, antique bronze, antique silver, and they had all the different ones, but see, they have the little striping in there. I thought it was really pretty. And then I have these beautiful filigree connectors that I showed you. They're Sunny Clue, they're flower charms. So I did this, and from my unboxing, this is what I got. A ton of them. So yeah, and then these are the beads, and then these are the Rhombus 2-hole beads. So I have everything here, and I just have some thread on a needle, and then I have an ear wire. I have, oh my gosh, I'm having okay, I've got this, I've got the eye pin, and oh my gosh, a wire guard. Jeez, it's been one of those mornings. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just going to put that in with them. So I'll put this right here so you can see this. So I'm going to start out with 7 of the check glass beads, and then 7 of these right here, and then of course I'll be getting more. So all I'm doing to start this out, let me make sure that, okay, is you want them all to be facing the right way though, because these have a little puff on the top. So 1, 2, 3, so they're all up. Okay, so I'm gonna grab one of these, and then one of those, bring that down, and then 1, and then 3, then 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you want to end So you want to end with one of these on there and not on there. So when you tie it, it'll make a perfect circle. And then I suggest before you go and tie it, you make sure that they're all facing the same way. And I bring this down to almost the bottom like that. And then I tie this, I do it once and I lay it down like that. And I, without undoing it, very gently do one more. And I like to take my bent chain nose pliers and give it a tug so that it's good. Okay, so I have that. Move that out of the way. Now I'm going to go through these one more time with my needle. So we go through. They're so pretty. I love this turquoise color in between them. And some of the cream that's in these matches the antique brass. Okay. We do that. Just kind of moving that because I'm going to tie that one more time. Oh. If you don't have these beads, you can use regular seed beads as well. You know, I just liked these because I thought the cube was really pretty. Okay, now we're just going to go through this one more time. You want to make sure that it doesn't attach onto anything else. Then I lay it down. So this would be the back part of it. And then I'm going to tie it one more time. Okay, so now we have this. So now I'm going to bring this back. I'm going to take my cutters. I'm just going to lay it flat there and cut that. Okay, so now I'm going to put 2 of these little squares in between each one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it this way, and it's coming out of this right here, so I'm going to jump up to the next hole, but you want to do it so that it's against the bead, so that it's not, you know, standing out, because you want to try and hide the string as much as you can. So we've got that. And now I'm just going through these and just adding 2. You want to make sure that you don't get your wire tangled up. Okay. These beads are so small. Oh. And it's hard because when you're sewing on camera, normally I would have it like here, but then you couldn't see what I was doing. So these two. And we're going to get 2 more on for each section. 1, 2. And then 1 and 2. Okay. And then I'm gonna go through and do 1 more. Let me put these in there. I'm gonna go through and sew this through 1 more time. So I like to reinforce everything. And then what I'm going to do is, for this right here, see the way that I have the wire guard like that? So I bring this down here. Okay, so I still have to go around the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I like to do a little early on, so there's a lot of sewing and knots. Okay, so we're going to do it like that. Then I'm going to come up through this side and down through this side like that. So that's like that, and I'm going to go back in through that and drag that like that and make sure that that's attached well. I'm going to turn this around to make it easier because I'm left-handed, and then I'm going to go up 1 more time through the wire guard, and you want to make sure that the string is going to be inside of that little top, which I'll show you. I've noticed sometimes it falls through and then you're kind of like, Okay. Yeah. So now see how it fell through? So what I want to do, I'm going to take my needle, I'm going to pick that up just a little bit, and hold my finger over that and pull that. And then I want to arrange that. Then I start going through more. Yeah, see, so then it's like that. Then I'm going to go through once. Oh. Go through once. I'm going to wrap that around. You want to make sure that it goes between those beads. So I start making some scattered knots here. And then when I get there, I'm going to go up through that 1 more time. And then I usually hold my finger there so that it will This looks so pretty. And it's such a fun earring. It could be a summer, fall, you know, it's kind of all different times of the year. Okay, so it's coming out of there. Now I want to do a double like that. This baby isn't going anywhere. All these knots and, you know, then you keep going through. Okay. See, that went down there. Lift that up. See, look how pretty that is. So then I lay that down. And I cut that, move that to the side. So then I have this pretty little fun flower right here. So now the one thing is, now when you put this on, if you see, you want the you want both of the holes to be exactly the same. So this is an eye pin. This is like 1.5 inches, but it doesn't need to be that long. So you want to hold that so that when you bend that back, I just use my round nose pliers to do it. So when you bend that back, it's going to be in perfect alignment with the other hole. Because if not, then the flower won't. Yeah. So see, there it is right there. And I'm going to take this. I'm going to bring that like that. So see, they're both the same. So now we're going to start by taking this first one and attaching that in there like that. So that looks like that. Oh, so pretty. And then we're going to take the other one. Okay, so this is the back, and that looks like that's the front. Yeah, this is the front. So we're doing that. Okay. We have that, and then we have this antique brass ear wire. Open that up. Now you want to make sure this is the front, so you want to turn it around so that it's facing. So that when you put that on, you want to, so when the person's wearing it, it naturally will fall like this. Well, I don't know about you, but I think these are just the cutest earrings I've ever seen. And they're nice because they're lightweight. You know, when you work with like these little 2-hole beads and these tiny beads like that, they don't put a lot of weight, you know, into it, even though it's very intricate and it's got a lot of, you know, it's got a unique look to it. They're not big, heavy earrings. So, so yes, I will leave links to everything below that I used. The pink, the salmon colored ones, 2-hole ones, and these gorgeous beads, and the filigree ones were from the unboxing, and then the Hubie turquoise cubes were from, I think, 2 boxes ago that I undid, but I will leave links below to everything. So I hope you enjoyed this, and yes, check out Beebeecraft. I'm sorry, check out Beebeecraft. Like I said, they have some beautiful, beautiful stuff. I think I've been working with them for about 7 months now, something like that, maybe even longer. But I've been really happy with everything that I get. And yes, use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your whole order. And they do always have a lot of sales going on. So yes, definitely check them out. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I will leave links below to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook account if you would like to follow me. And if you don't follow me on YouTube, I would hope you consider doing so, because I have a lot of fun tutorials coming up. So I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.